What if your desk could prevent back pain instead of causing it? After testing 47 models, we found 5 standing desks that actually improve your posture, including one with AI-powered height adjustments that doctors are recommending. Want the life-changing links? Description has you covered. Let's rise up. Starting at number 1. Vari Electric Standing Desk with ComfortEdge. Best overall. GH Institute product experts have historically liked Vari standing desks for their high quality, sleek designs and easy adjustability, and this pick is no exception. We love that its height ranges from 25 up to 50.5 inches, so it's perfect for both petite and taller figures. Though it's not the cheapest standing desk you'll find, it can be well worth the investment for a home office and is available in 8 finishes to match your style. Testers applauded Vari's desks for being of solid construction, very easy to use and comfortable throughout the day, though some warned that this desk is heavy, making it harder to set up and difficult to move around. It is so easy to adjust the height and comfortable to use with the curved edge, said one GH Institute director who uses the Vari when working from home. The larger size fits perfectly in my space and the solid wood top looks chic, nothing like most standing desks. Number 2. Flexispot EN1 Electric White Stand-Up Desk. Best value. Flexispot's EN1 model is a reliable option for those on a tighter budget. Equipped with 3 different height presets, this desk can hold up to 154 pounds and is fully extendable to 48 inches in height. The GH Institute's Nutrition and Fitness Lab director, Stefani Sassos, noted that unboxing and assembly were straightforward and that the desktop's 48-inch width is substantial without overtaking too much space in your home. Its width might also allow you to add some freestanding storage beneath it. Our testers also liked its size, good value and great height range. It's nice to have the option of either standing or sitting at comfortable heights, and I like the electric height adjustment. It makes it very easy to use and change up as needed, one tester said. If you're looking for an even greater height range, especially for more petite users, and don't mind spending more, our pros also recommend the Flexispot E7 standing desk. Not only is this model super stable, but it offers double the weight capacity. Number 3. Flexispot Comhar All-in-One Standing Desk. Easiest to install. This model was one of the fastest installs in our tests, painless and ready to use soon after it was unboxed. The tempered glass top has rounded edges to avoid painful bumps in tight spaces, but the compact nature of the desk makes it a great option for small spaces and can easily fit in an unused corner of an apartment's living room. The expanded keypad controls are handy, as is the desk's anti-collision feature, which saves you from accidentally crushing a chair or box beneath it as you're adjusting the height. I love standing desks that have both presets and the ability to customize height by raising/lowering so you can get a sense of what height generally works for you and then personalize it, said one GH product analyst. The USB ports were super convenient for charging my phone or other devices when nearby outlets were fully occupied by my laptop charger and standing desk plug. Having the glass tabletop is also super nice if you like using dry erase board markers but don't have a whiteboard. Number 4. Uplift V2 Bamboo Standing Desk. Best adjustable. While a bamboo finished desk is standard here, Uplift offers 19 different finishes on its website, for different frames and several add-ons you can select to customize your workspace. This sturdy desk itself won't budge even if you're a heavy typer or are constantly switching modes during the day, as there's a steel crossbar between the desk's legs to reduce any sway. It even comes with an impressive 15-year warranty should anything go wrong. Uplift's standing desk is very stable when adjusted via electronic keypads. One GH tester noted that this may be the best fit for a couple or for shared office spaces due to its versatility and adjustment ranges. While some testers found this standing desk more practical than aesthetic, others love the memory settings which enable you to program the optimal height for sitting and standing for yourself, and others, with one-touch buttons. The ability to change between sitting and standing easily at any time is a fantastic feature, said one tester. Number 5. ApexDesk PneuDesk. Best manual. Available in 4 different sizes for any room you may have in mind, ApexDesk's Easy Lift Lower Desk may be a solution for those who can't plug into an outlet. The desk can be pulled up to 48-inch tall using a hand lever, gliding the desktop up and down at your touch. This desk is designed for those who have a dynamic workspace and need to move about, including those in art studios or a manufacturer's space. The installation only calls for a screwdriver and can be completed in no time. The desk is great. Easy to lift, looks nice, holds 2 large monitors and a laptop, and it took my husband about 40 minutes to put it together, said one online reviewer. It features 2 rear wheels that make it easier to rearrange furniture, though we don't suggest moving it with all your gear still on top. While we love the price, we do wish that more finishes were offered. So, which desk is going to revolutionize your workday? Tag a colleague who slouches in the comments. If we just saved your spine, slam that like button, share with your WFH crew, and subscribe, because next week, we're exposing ergonomic scams that'll make your blood boil.